I'm Chef Simone Bridges, owner of Goddess Food Factory. And you may have seen me on Steve Harvey or on Wonderama, but today we're going to be making some really delicious treats that you can make under 5 minutes. Oh wait, that's 10. Under 5 minutes. So let's get right into it. We are going to be making a birthday cake in a cup. Whoop, whoop. And this is for all the people's birthday who is today or maybe coming up next week or this month. So happy birthday, and I got a surprise for you all later on. Just wait. So it's really simple. All you need is to get a glass, and then you're just going to be mix together the rest of these 8 ingredients. So you're going to get some flour, put it inside of the cup, and then we're going to do some baking powder in here. Well, put some baking powder in here. Put some sugar in here, and then you're going to put just a little bit of sprinkles. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of sprinkles in there just to give it a nice pop of color, because remember, it is your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. So now we're going to take this and we're just going to mix this up because we have our dry ingredients. We're going to mix our dry ingredients really good together, just like so. And now it's time to add in our liquid ingredients. So we have some melted unsalted butter. You're going to add that in there, as well as some vanilla extract and some milk. And if you're lactose intolerant, you can get some water as well. You can put water inside of the batter instead of milk. And then you're going to mix the egg really good, like so. And then add it inside of here. And now you're just going to, like you know we do, mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. And you're going to mix this really good. Now you want to make sure you get all of the solid ingredients mixed in really good and incorporate it really well with the liquid ingredients. So we're going to mix this really, really good. And the egg may take a little while to incorporate really good with the rest of the ingredients. So you want to make sure you mix it really well to where the batter is nice and smooth like this. Perfect. That's how you know it's done and it's really good and it's perfect. Now that we have that, I'm just going to check around and make sure I mix it really good. And I did. And it should look like this. Now this is still a liquid mixture right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it inside of the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And what the microwave is going to do is going to allow the heat from the microwave is going to change the batter from a liquid form to a solid form, creating this beautiful creation. And what I love to do is, if you don't have any icing, what you can do is you can take some whipped cream and then you just spray some whipped cream on top. Blah. And then you can put some sprinkles on top of this. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. And you have your birthday cake in a cup. Happy birthday! Super delicious, super easy, made under 5 minutes. And like I said, I have a surprise. So for everybody's birthday who may be today, next week, or this month, this is my surprise. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear viewers. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed making the birthday cake in a cup. Bye.